Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm actually filming this before I filmed the video where I tell you that I've crashed my BMW. We have the lovely Mark coming to pick me up today in a very lovely truck with a very special puppy in the back. Hello! There's a small little poof down there. Hello! Now, in my video before this one that's going to be uploaded, I've explained that I had a small accident with the BMW, resulting in it being written off and kind of not being able to drive anymore. And Mark messaged me, I don't know why I'm explaining all this, that'll be in the next video. Today is the day that we go get the other BMW to take back to his BMW to make another BMW. We'll make another BMW. Yes, that's the one. Yeah. So, if you're not already following Paddock Motorsports, then now is the time to pause this video, go and do that, and then come back to the video and watch the rest of it. Mark has and is doing the most incredible job for me, and I am completely lost for words about how grateful I am about the whole thing. So, Paddock Motorsports on Instagram. Are you on Facebook?
Yep. Yeah.
Facebook as well, and you obviously can go to their website and things. So head over, check those out. All their links and things will be in the description, little thing here, and I'll put a little thing here, and yes. But let us go and collect a BMW that's kind of not really drivable, which is why we've got a trailer. And as in all weather conditions, we're in the rain. Classic rain, Mark, classic rain.
Only pick up cars in the rain.
Yes. So we are heading to CMG Wellingborough, where they're about to charge me £1 million to get my car out. Anyway, we will see you there. Left a bit. So the car, you probably can't see it, but it's on the trailer. CMG was super helpful. They pulled it out for us on their little thingamajiggy and yeah, pushed it on the trailer for us, so no hassle there. Car is on the trailer. Mark, you are just a hero amongst men.
Not that, but...
So you now have a lovely drive back to where?
Down to sunny Exeter.
Exeter.
Oh, I hope it's sunny.
Yeah, well, better than here probably. Car's going back down to Exeter to Paddock Motorsports, where your hometown and technically office and workshop is. And Mark's going to be giving me updates on how the build's going and everything. I'm going to get him to time-lapse absolutely everything. So if there's something that's going on with the car or he's doing something major, he's going to be able to film it on a GoPro for me, and all of that will be in kind of up and coming videos. And yeah, so I'll quickly, when we get back and Mark drops me off at work, I'll quickly run you around the car and show you kind of what damage I did. Safe to say I'm a lucky boy.
You are a very lucky boy.
So anyway, catch up with you in a second. So you can see, I think a bit of 3M body shop, that'll work.
It'll polish out.
Yeah, it'll be fine, mate. So yeah, looking at it now, I'm a pretty lucky boy. So that is going to conclude this video. Mark, again, I'm honestly beyond grateful for this.
No worries, mate, no worries.
He's going to take this away, back to Exeter, he's going to work his magic, and we're going to produce something that actually is beautiful. It's made by Mark and myself. It's going to be like bespoke and just us. It's going to be a proper Talk 36. So thank you for watching. Make sure you liked and subscribed. Join the Talk Nation. Make sure you're following Motorsport, Paddock Motorsport on Instagram, Facebook. Go onto the website. Any work, if you're over in the Exeter way, or even if you're not, just head over to them. They're going to sort you out properly. Nice and good. So see you in the next video.